over the place and then give them a monthly salary, you see. And we keep some things in there and we give them a percentage down.
Well, so I see it. You see, if them all do the monthly thing, the pressure I got them on the island, if it proves that you earn and work this money being put out for manage the place with the percentage base, it kind of have a little better look because you can just keep the event, a phone around, you know the people there. And but you see the thing is though, most establishments don't want to get them back. So maybe I just years who not gonna work right. However, anyway it go, I suggest not less than a 50-50 break.
That me I say to you, my elder. Because I remember saying our face I go promote the place, So me I tell them say it's a 50-50 deal though.
That makes sense. However, don't rush in it. Give me a time to look into who exactly is this Mr. Swaby. You see, but other than know it though, how the ground itself are run, how things.
I want to tell you say everything good now in a king man. Ground alright man. No flare up, no nothing, everything solid.
Yeah, because you know so that I have an effect on any events we have a plan to go forward. As a matter of fact, I think me personally I go check and make sure so the community is still there on the list of troubled communities. Because if that is the case, the permit to keep the event is going to be a problem. And it's right now going forward, we want to make sure say, we do everything by the book. You know what?
That's what the meds there right now. Yeah man.
So vicious. Oh, the bar, come and notice all your face and I look pushy like life. I agree with you, man. Business life, agree with you, man. Talk to me.
I want to tell you, say, me elder, true me I met the bar still, I kind of teach me all of them things I make me a med so far to deal with that. You see me, cuz? Yeah, man.
Which is right.
And I want to tell you, say, I'm proud I am a king. You that on real businessman now, you know.
And I want to tell you, say, I'm proud of the whole town. So, how about you walk around the jewelry? Because I see I wear some nice little beats.
Yeah, man, we step up a thinking, man. What you talk about? I want to tell you, say, we got some Chinese jewelry. What them call them one, the vicious? You know them Chinese ring there and thing and some stainless, stainless steel them now and some leather bracelet, yeah. So them thing they will step up a game with you now and all it more than if you come in see where you see it. Client them are going good too.
That is it. The only glitch in the thing is just the missing of Butcher. You see, Butcher for there and do him thing to and make some waves in the studio, but don't worry still enough. Because I have it from good source, so shortly I'm over there.
Well, I don't know any king. From Butcher there upon the ground thing, so if he still go on film side same way. You understand? Brother thing, you know our family, you see? And plus the police them, they really deal with them good, you see me? Them stand up to them word, and I love that same way, you see me? Yeah, man, so everything alright till the dog forward, man, you see? Talk about the feds and watch your style, yeah.
Man, I'm going.
Wagwan. There, man.
Think best.
What's things for there?
That's it.
Rich.
Cool on my friend, man.
Yeah, man.
Brawling.
Whisper.
Why?
Whisper.
Think I want to clean floor and tile.
Your face look pleasant, so I know it's not a business card. It's just a circle the ends.
Yeah, man. I want to roll through them, you know?
So what you say? You have a drink with me, about time for your next round.
You know, say, I'm not touching alcohol, you know. And some food produce me, I give you, you know, on the farm, you know?
Farm. Don't the farm you know about you around the hillside?
And I eat same man, you talk.
So you know the people that run the family?
So, you tell me say that no say numbers are on the farm now?
Numbers? Nah, man. Yeah, hear me? The farm, let me take the second. Farm, poach right away.
Yeah, numbers. Our numbers are the farming business.
Yo, may I put on? Hello. Enjoy this, please, and thanks.
Should I wish him the right here?
Oh.